Now we are going to learn how to control a lamp with a switch. Materials required: one-way switch, red wire, black wire, lamp holder and bulb. Tools required: line tester, screwdriver and wire stripper. Take the one-way switch first, then take out the lamp holder. Then take the red wire and put it on the bottom of the switch. After, take the red wire and put it on the upper side of the switch. Connect the same wire on one side of the holder. Then put it on the other side of the neutral wire to the holder. The connection is now complete. Then given the power supply. Now you can see the electricity flowing through the red wire. Only when the switch is on does the electricity enter the holder. This time the bulb will glow.